Hi guys, welcome to Banker's Edge. இந்த செஷனில் லாஸ்ட் 4 months அக்டோபர் டு ஃபெப்ரவரி செகண்ட் வீக் அவார்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹானர்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Indo-American Chamber of Commerce has presented the Lifetime Achievement Award to whom? Answer is option D, Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata ரீசெண்டாக வாங்கின அவார்ட்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Global Visionary of Sustainable Business and Peace, Assocham Enterprise of the Century Award. Who has won the Lifetime Achievement Award at the Economic Times Award for Corporate Excellence 2020? Answer is option B, Aditya Puri, former CEO of HDFC Bank. Who has been named as the Business Standard Banker of the Year 2019-2020? Answer is option D, Shyam Srinivasan, CEO of Federal Bank. Who was conferred with the Tata Literature Live Lifetime Achievement Award for 2020? Option A, Ruskin Bond. Option B, Chetan Bhagat. Option C, Vikram Seth. Option D, Arundhati Roy. Answer is option A, Ruskin Bond. Who has become the first Indian woman to win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award? Option D, Aishwarya Sridhar. Which airport has won the global recognition from the ACI World's Voice of the Customer Award? Answer is option D, Bangalore International Airport. இதோட இன்னொரு நேம் Kempegowda International Airport. Which steel maker has been awarded the prestigious Golden Peacock Environment Management Award for the year 2020 in the steel sector? Answer is option C, Steel Authority of India Limited. Douglas Stewart has won the 2020 Booker Prize for which novel? Answer is option D, Shuggie Bain. Which police station has been selected as the best police station in the country for 2020? Answer is option A, Nangpok Sekmai. இந்த police station மணிப்பூர்ல இருக்கு. Who has been awarded with the Global Teacher Prize 2020? Option A, Ranjit Singh Disale. Which tiger reserve has bagged the first ever international award for doubling tiger population? Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Philippine Tiger Reserve, Buxa Tiger Reserve, Pench Tiger Reserve. Answer is option B, Philippine Tiger Reserve, Uttar Pradesh. Who has received the Aditya Vikram Birla Kalashikar Puraskar at Sangeet Kala Kendra Awards? Option C, Naziruddin Shah. Who has been honored with United Nations Development Programme's prestigious Sustainable Development Goals Special Humanitarian Action Award? Option B, Sonu Sood. Which of the following agencies of India has won the 2020 United Nations Investment Promotion Award? Option D, Invest India. Name the Indian who has won the United Nations Environment Programme 2020 Young Champions of the Earth Award. Answer is option C, Vidyut Mohan. The building of which college has been recognized with 2020 UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards for Cultural Heritage Conservation? Answer is option A, Amar Singh College. Name the Indo-American who has been named as the Times Kid of the Year Award. Option C, Geetanjali Rao. Time magazine ஓட மற்ற அவார்ட்ஸ்லாம் பார்க்கலாம். Person of the Year Award, Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. Joe Biden, 46th President of US. Business Person of the Year, Zoom CEO Eric Yuan. Athlete of the Year, Basketball player LeBron James. Entertainer of the Year, BTS. Who has become the first non-Indian to win the Ramanujam Prize for Young Mathematicians 2020? Answer is option B, Carolina Araujo. Name the Indian mathematician who has been named as the winner of the prestigious 2021 Michael and Sheila Held Prize. Option A, Nikhil Srivastava. The tabla of which state has won the first prize at this year's Republic Day Parade? Answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been selected for the Subhash Chandra Bose Apta Prabandhan Puraskar in the individual category? Answer is option D. Rajendra Kumar Bandari. Nobel Prize 2020 winners பார்க்கலாம். Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 3 பேர் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. ஹார்வே ஜே ஆல்டர், சார்லஸ் எம் ரைஸ் அண்ட் மைக்கேல் ஹாக்டன். மைக்கேல் ரைஸ் ஆல்டர் பண்ணுறாரு அப்படின்னு ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். இவங்க 3 பேரும் ஃபிசியாலஜியில் டிஸ்கவரி ஆஃப் ஹெப்பாட்டிட்டிஸ் சி வைரஸ்க்காக வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. நோபல் பிரைஸ் இன் ஃபிசிக்ஸ் ரோஜர் பென்ரோஸ், ரெயின்ஹார்ட் கென்சல், ஆண்ட்ரியா கெஸ். இதுக்கு க்ளூ வேர்ட்ஸ் பென், கென்சல், கெஸ். இதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. நோபல் பிரைஸ் இன் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி சார்பென்டியர் அண்ட் டவுட்னா இவங்க 2 பேர் சேர்ந்து வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. நோபல் பிரைஸ் இன் லிட்ரேச்சர் லூயிஸ் க்ளூக். நோபல் பிரைஸ் இன் எக்கனாமிக் சயின்சஸ் மில் அண்ட் வில் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க, மிலோகிராம் அண்ட் வில்சன். நோபல் பீஸ் பிரைஸ் எந்த ஆர்கனைசேஷன் வாங்கியிருக்குன்னா வேர்ல்ட் ஃபுட் ப்ரோக்ராம். Who has been honored with DRDO Scientist of the Year award? Option C. Hemant Kumar Pandey. Which movie won the Golden Peacock Award at the 51st International Film Festival of India held at Goa? Answer is option A. Into the Darkness. Same film festival la Personality of the Year Biswajit Chatterjee வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. Who has been awarded the International Children's Peace Prize? Sadat Rahman, Ivana, Shah Abdul, Srinivasan. Answer is option A. Sadat Rahman. Which Indian organization has been chosen as laureate in institutional category for the 2020 United Nations Population Award? Option D. Helpage India. Who was conferred with the Alert Being Icon Awards 2020? Option B. A.R. Rahman. Which state's Human by Nature print campaign backed the prestigious Pata Grand Title 2020 for marketing? Answer is option D. Kerala. Which company has been conferred excellence in the prestigious CIA ITC Sustainability Awards 2020 in corporate social responsibility domain? NTPC, NABARD, DRDO, Indian Oil Corporation. Answer is option A. National Thermal Power Corporation. Which department has won the Gold Icon Award in the category Excellence in Digital Governance? Option C. Department of Post. Excellence in Corporate Social Responsibility அப்படின்னு கேட்டால் NTPC. Excellence in Digital Governance, Department of Post. Who among the following has won the 2020 United Nations Global Climate Action Award? Answer is option D. Global Himalayan Expedition. Who has won the Social Entrepreneur of the Year Award? Instituted by Skewab Foundation and Jubilant Bharatiya Foundation. Option D. Ashraf Patel. European Union's top human rights Sakharov Prize was awarded to option B. Svetlana. Which hydroelectric project has been awarded the prestigious Brunel Medal for excellence in civil engineering? Answer is option C. Mangdechu hydroelectric project at Bhutan. Who has won the Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade? Option C. Virat Kohli. ICC Female Cricketer of the Decade Ellis Perry. Player of the Century Award at the Globe Soccer Awards Ronaldo. Who has won the Alan Border Medal? இது வந்து ஆஸ்திரேலியன் கிரிக்கெட்டருக்கு கொடுப்பாங்க for the period 2020-21. Steve Smith. World Athletics Awards 2020. Male Athlete of the Year Duplantis and Female Athlete Rojas. Plant Rojasnu ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். FICCI Sportsperson of the Year 2020. Male Sportsperson Bajrang Punia. He is related to wrestling. Female Sportsperson of the Year Ilavenil Valarivan. She is related to shooting. FIFA Men's Player 2020 Robert. FIFA Women's Player 2020 Lucy.